Good morning all of you. I am Razia Pathan from Gyanmanjari Vidyapith, Standard 5th. So students, in the previous lecture हम लोग will completed worksheet number 19, right? हम लोगों ने worksheet number 19 and 20 complete की थी. In that worksheet HCF and LCM that find the LCF of the given pairs of numbers in your notebook and write the answers below. Now हमें इसकी क्या करना था, HCF हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर से वो हमें फाइंड करना था and then we have to write the answers in our workbook. And then second one question is find the LCM of the given pairs of numbers in your notebook and write the answers below. Now second one जो क्वेश्चन हमारा था उसमें क्या था, लार्जेस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल्स जो हमें था वो हमें यहाँ पे लिखना था. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड इट आउट दैट एंड देन विल गेट द आंसर. नाउ टुडे विल स्टार्ट वर्कशीट नंबर 21. इन दैट वर्कशीट HCF and LCM is there. Find the prime factor of the following numbers using a tree diagram in your notebook and write the answers as a प्रोडक्ट्स बिलो. नाउ अभी हमें इसमें क्या करना है, ट्री डायग्राम्स हम ड्रॉ करेंगे हमारी नोटबुक में एंड देन विल राइट द आंसर्स इन अवर वर्कशीट बुक. सो विल स्टार्ट वर्कशीट नंबर 21, क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एंड बिफोर स्टार्टिंग आई होप सो यू ऑल आर हैविंग पेंसिल, sharpener, eraser, notebook, all the things with you. Open that all the things and start writing everyone. Okay students, worksheet number 21, page number 25, question number 1, A1 sum is 20. Question number 1 is we have to follow T diagram. Which diagram? T diagram. Okay. T diagram. So in that 20, so here we have to write 20, 10 twos are 20 and 5 twos are 10. So 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. This one is a prime factor. This one is a prime factor. Which PF? PF means prime factors. Okay. Otherwise we have to write here prime factor. Prime factors is equal to 20 into 2, 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 is equal to answer is 20. B1 sum, in the B1 24 is there. Here we have to write 24, 12 twos are 24, 6 twos are 12, 3 twos are 6. So our answer is prime factor is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Our answer. Now look at these sums everyone and write it down in your notebook. This one is a three factors. 32. So here 16 twos are 32, 8 twos are 60, 4 twos are 8 and 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. So prime factor is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 32 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This one is our answer. Next one is a 36. नाउ हमें डिवीजन मालूम नहीं है, सो 2 के साथ इसको हम डिवाइड करेंगे. 2 1s are 2, 1, 18 2s are 60, 80 2s are 60, 9 2s are 8. Now 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So here prime factor is equal to 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. This one is our answers. Now look at this sum everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute so you have to complete it. Okay. Okay students, now next one is a 42. So in that 42, 21 2s are 42, right? And 7 3s are 23. 7 3s are 23. So our answer is 2 into 3 into 7. 2 into 3 into 7 and 56. 28 2s are 56. 14 2s are 28. 7 2s are 40. So our answer is prime factors is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 56 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 7 and 42 prime factor. Here we have to write 42 is equal to 2 into 3 into 7 and here we have to write prime factors. This one is our answers. Now look at these sums everyone and write it down in your notebook. Okay students, next one question is 64. So in that 64 divided by 2 हम करेंगे, so we'll get the answer 32 2s are 64, 16 2s are 32, 8 2s are 60, 4 2s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. So here prime factor is equal to 64 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This one is our answer. Now look at these sums everyone and write it down in your notebook. Only G1 sum, H1 is left because here is no any place. That's the reason I will do this sums in the next page. Okay. Okay students, next one sum is 68. So in that, here we have to write 68. 68, that means 34 2s are 68. 34 2s are 60. 17 2s are 34. So here prime factor is equal to 68 is equal to 2 into 2 into 70. This one is our answer. Now students, look at these sums and write it down in your notebook. Okay students, next one is a 75. So here 15 5s are 75 and 5 3s are 50. So here prime factor is equal to 75 is equal to 5 into 3 into 5. This one is our answer. Now look at these sums everyone and write it down in your notebook. Okay students, next one sum is a 96. 96, that means 48 twos are 96. 48 twos are 90. Then 48, that means 24 twos are 48. Then 24 twos are 48. 12 twos are 24. 6 twos are 12. And 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. So here our answer is prime factor is equal to 96 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This one is our answer. Now look at the sums everyone and write it down in your notebook. You have to complete all the sums in your notebook, and after that you have to write these answers in your workbook. Hello students, so here we completed that worksheet number 21, question number first. Now question number second is for the given numbers, prove that the products of the numbers are the HCF into LCM. So वो आप लोगों को अपने आप से नोटबुक में करना है. You have to finish that thing. Now here our chapter unit number 5 is completed. यूनिट नंबर 5 जो हमारा है वो यहाँ पे कंप्लीट होता है. रिमेन जो भी वर्क है वो आप लोगों को आपके नोटबुक में एनी हाउ कम्प्लीट करना है. इन आपका जो होमवर्क है वो बिफोर 3 o'clock एनी हाउ यू हैव टू सबमिट टू मी बाय व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. Whatever answers remain, that answers I'll send in a WhatsApp, so you have to copy it out there, check it out your answers and write in your notebook. Now in the next lectures we'll start the fractions and the decimals. We'll start the fractions in the decimals in the next chapter. So now first of all, now your target is you have to complete the worksheet number 21 यूनिट नंबर 5. वो आपको आपकी नोटबुक में एनी हाउ कंप्लीट करना है. ओके एवरीवन, I hope so you have to done your work well and properly. Okay everyone, bye, have a nice day. Homework before 3 o'clock हमें सबमिट करोगे. Bye everyone, have a nice day.